I have a Kawasaki Jet Ski, and I always read in the forums like what type of two-stroke oil should I be using in my personal watercraft, and it always makes me very nervous to find different types of oils. I don't know which ones are going to work and which ones aren't. It is a oil injected, like mixed, so you have to mix the gas and the oil, but the Jet Ski does it itself, has separate compartments. But anyway, what type of two-stroke oil should you be using? I have heard some people say any kind of marine two-stroke oil is perfectly fine, but I've also heard other people saying that outboard marine two-stroke oil does not work in personal watercrafts or jet skis. So the only things I tend to trust are if it has an actual picture of a jet ski on it, or if it says specifically Jet Ski Watercraft two-stroke engine oil, or if it says personal watercraft PWC on it. And I also oftentimes will order these online because it is actually made by Kawasaki. So I have a Kawasaki jet ski, and this is literally Kawasaki Jet Ski Watercraft engine oil. So that's the only way that I feel comfortable that it is going to be the correct type of oil to put in my jet ski. So I use this stuff and I would definitely recommend it.